Want to stand taller? Try hanging. Most people think that improved grip strength is the only benefit of hanging from a bar. But did you know that it can also help reduce shoulder pain and even make you stand taller? Those are just two of the many benefits of hanging. Here are 8 amazing ways that hanging can improve your health and transform your body. Number 8. Decompress your spine. You may have a compressed spine, also known as a tight spine, if you sit at a desk all day or possibly sleep on your back. Our spines can suffer from the sedentary lifestyle of modern society. According to Justin Jones, Spartan SGX coach and creator of Active Choice UK, sitting positions can put a tremendous amount of strain on your back and neck muscles, restrict your hip flexors, and obstruct blood flow to the gluteus maximus, both of which are crucial supporters of the spine. Well, he's not wrong though. Prolonged sitting has been linked to a higher chance of dying from any cause in addition to suffering irreparable harm to the spine, according to a study published in Annals of Internal Medicine, even for those who regularly log hours exercising. Which is why we are introducing a very simple and effective solution: hanging. The spine may decompress and stretch out during a dead hang. Your body weight will gradually extend your spine while you hang. The spinal discs, the gel-like cushions between your spine's bones, will no longer be under as much pressure. If you have any disc problems, this may be resolved, and nutrients may enter the body to aid in your recovery. Number 7. It improves grip strength. Do you ever struggle to open jars or bottles? You're not alone if you feel your grip strength is lacking. Younger women have much weaker grip strength than older women, according to a kinesiology study. Everyone's probably familiar with this one, but hanging is great for improving grip strength. Grip strength is important for everyday activities like carrying groceries, opening jars, and even gripping a pencil, as well as for sports like obstacle course racing, wrestling, climbing, and gymnastics. Your daily life will benefit from having a strong grip because it will be simpler for you to open jars, remove screws, and pop open a bottle of champagne. Low grip strength is linked to greater rates of mortality and disability, suggesting that grip strength may potentially be a predictor of your overall health in later life. A solid grip has been shown to be a reliable predictor of overall body strength and muscular mass, both of which decline as we age. Number 6. Upper body stretch. Do you enjoy stretching? It's a relaxing activity that gives you a feeling of ease and release. Well, if you love that, you will definitely love hanging because it stretches the whole upper body. If you're practicing pull-ups from an overhead bar or just want to build up your upper body strength, the dead hang is a wonderful workout to try. Playing on monkey bars as a child used to feel so pleasant since it relaxes any kind of stiffness in the body. The upper body muscles are loosened by the dead hang. By hanging relaxed from something will stretch your shoulders, arms, and back. And if you spend a lot of time sitting or if you are sore after exercising, this will make you feel more mobile. This makes dead hangs a fantastic way to wind down after a challenging workout. We've got a lot more coming. Make sure to keep watching until the end because you might find something extremely shocking. Now, let's move on to number 5, strengthening your forearms. Many people overlook their forearms because the majority of upper body exercises are geared toward developing your biceps, triceps, and shoulders. The forearms, wrists, and palms, which support the full weight of the body, develop considerable strength with consistent practice and can aid us in daily activities like pulling, pushing, and lifting. A dead hang will also build stronger forearms in addition to stronger hands. For many of us, our upper body strength is lacking in our forearms, and by increasing it, many daily tasks will become much simpler, including lifting and opening jars. And of course, that bottle of champagne we mentioned earlier. Isn't it funny that several advantages of the dead hang include being able to pop champagne more easily? Increasing your forearm strength may improve your performance in a variety of upper body activities if you already do a lot of strength training. It's time to stop doing meaningless forearm curls and start performing a few sets of dead hangs each week. Number 4. Shoulder joint range of motion. Many of us don't frequently move our shoulders through their complete range of motion. Over time, this may result in chronic pain and a real loss of movement. Regularly executing a dead hang will improve your shoulder joints flexibility. In a dead hang, your arms support the full weight of your body. Because your shoulders support your arms, how flexible they are will determine how easy or tough the exercise is for you. As a result, flexing your shoulders across a wider radius will no longer be uncomfortable. Your upper body will completely relax while hanging in this passive pose with your arms up. Your shoulder joint range of motion and overall shoulder health are being improved with every second you spend in this position. Number 3. It relieves shoulder pain. By merely performing the dead hang, many people have been able to recover from shoulder sprains, strains, and discomfort, particularly in the rotator cuff. In his book, Shoulder Pain, The Answer and Prevention, Dr. Kirsch discusses how nature-intended movement patterns for our shoulders are so important and that many people are no longer engaging in these due to a variety of reasons. As a result, we are frail and prone to harm. In one study, 90 out of 92 patients with shoulder injuries recovered after receiving the dead hang exercise prescription from Dr. Kirsch. If they had not, they would have had to resort to surgical measures. Therefore, try the dead hang before spending thousands on physiotherapy and other corrective procedures. If you're still not convinced to hang from a bar, don't worry, because we have the top 2 reasons why you should. Here we go with number 2, it improves posture. Your posture might not be great if you spend most of the day hunched over a computer. Well, don't fret, because we've got a solution for that. Dead hangs are awesome for correcting your posture. Dead hangs can help your upper body become stronger, decompress, loosen up, and mobilize, as was previously mentioned in other points above. Better posture is mostly a result of all 4 of these elements. You may correct your posture by flexing your arms, shoulders, and back, strengthening your upper body, and decompressing your spine. As you start carrying yourself better, this will start a good spiral of fewer aches and pains and a stronger upper body. The weight of your body is evenly distributed between the 2 arms because they're holding the pull-up bar in parallel positions. This aids in realigning the body, erecting your back, and correcting any imbalances unintentionally brought about by activities like sitting at a desk job where you can find yourself learning more to one side than the other. So, before you give in to those posture correcting gimmicks, just hang in there. Literally. And now lastly, for our number 1, it improves skin strength and durability. Okay, here's the shocking one. Skin doesn't increase strength in the same way that muscles do, but we still need the skin on our hands to be durable and flexible enough to support the activities we wish to perform with our bodies. People typically use gloves when lifting weights since they haven't exercised to strengthen their skin. That might be effective in the gym, but if this person decides to use their strength in daily life, they run the risk of hurting their hands because the skin has not been subjected to the same amount of stress as the muscles. Skin elasticity is a weakness in the upper body strength of the majority of people. We may increase the skin's resiliency, flexibility, and ability to sustain our body's activities by utilizing our hands in a variety of ways. Now, which of these benefits do you think you need the most? And which surprised you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If this video was a hit for you, I'm sure you'll love the next one as well. Thanks for sticking with me until the end, and we'll see you in the next one.